Yes, guys.
Jesus Christ.
Hey! Yes, guys, come here. Welcome to the skiing vlog. Let's fucking go.
Woo!
Look, and then he went to his room and that's the car.
Hey guys, say hello.
Wait,
Wow,
Tom.
what a wetty. Fuck's sakes, I got to set my respawn point.
Wants me to do something cool.
You're not cool.
Listen, we're just wondering. 180.
Let me headbutt the camera. I can tell.
The boys are back in town. Say hello to the vlog. Wow, that was very interesting.
Do something cool, do something cool. Oh! Cold! Oh my god! Do something cool!
Wait, what?
Coronel, stop! Oh, cold! Nice. Nice. No, seriously, I'm saying serious.
Eden, give me your guy at Eden.
Oh!
I'm just getting tired. Give me your guy at Eden. Yes.
I'll see you later. Love you, Spuds.
Get ready.
Oh well, see you later.
Right, I'm back from skiing. Where's the bloody Wi-Fi gone? I'm trying to watch the United game. Bloody hell, why is my face so red? Some trim this is helmet hair, this. Absolute beautiful trim. Look at the snow. Wow. Look at the snow. Where's the Wi-Fi?
Yo, it's crazy out here, you know. Wow. Rate the drip. You ready for this fit check? Look at the sneakers. Cold, you know, cold. Last night was a movie, you know, got some scran and that, basically just taking selfies with all the fans up here in the mountain, you know. And found out the boys were here, so we had some good time skiing, if you know what I mean. That's what I meant. Right, let's get out in this blizzard. I'm gonna die. I can't even see a thing. Look how white it is. Where's the other mountains gone?
What the fuck? What are we doing?
Any more fucking wind? Do they want it? Look at the frost on my chin. Hey, but look at this, skis.
Shit view, that one. Not it.
As I say, fucking shit view this one, honestly. What's the point of coming skiing? That is grim, mate. Absolutely vile. Not happy. Just want some nice views, like seriously.
Oh, here's the world famous Thomas Allen.
For some reason, I'm on a ski slope and there's absolutely no one here. And this one's easy, which is why I can hold the GoPro, because I'm crap, so any of the others, no. But look at Padre go. Experienced here. Look, we'll get some zhuzhing going. concentration face right now. Because we're going down now. Killian, I'm back. Look at the speed of this fucker. Oh, I'm stuck now. Find some slow coaches. Right, we are entering a tunnel right now. Look at this. Wow, I went under a road then. What else can I show you? That's the sun. That's the mountains. Well, nearly went into that. There's some trees. There's a little house. You gotta be careful when you're skiing through these trees in the French Alps. You never know where the grizzly bears are gonna be. Or the wolves. They're in there somewhere. Because they definitely inhabit France. Unfortunately, the French people also do as well. Right, well, I think that's it for my little daily update. I'm very hungry, so I hope we go get some scran soon and get some absolute gorgeous... It's Christmas Eve, by the way. I didn't say Merry Christmas, one and all. Ho, 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 and that. Alright, bye-bye, see you in a bit.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. It's Christmas Day and it don't feel like it. We're going skiing. What the fuck? Look at the wind burn. Lethal. Gonna quench some little kid's Christmas by just absolutely twatting him down at the runway. Stick him on a back, I reckon. That'll be fun.
Honestly, why are the views in this place so crap? Honestly. It's quite fun skiing. I don't know why everyone doesn't just do it. It's not like it costs money or anything.
Now at this point I'm on like a viewpoint here and I absolutely shit myself in a minute. Like it was beautiful, it was stunning. We were on top of the world, but look at the floor. No, no thank you. I got off that as quickly as possible. Not a chance.
Thank fuck I'm off that. I'm back on safe dry land. Never again. Never again. Right, it's last day. So I'm gonna have to go from shit views like this to the mighty ones in sunny Salford again. Aren't I happy, chappy? Fuck's sakes, man. I gotta stop stealing these catchphrases and come up with my own ones, really. I'm not just an AB wannabe. Well, I mean, I am, but... Fuck's sake. Some shit mountains and that. This is my last bit skiing. 2024. The last of the ski trip. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. We are currently skiing down in the mountain. Do you wanna see?
Look at the absolute skiing prowess of this man. You can tell he's definitely not crap at all and doesn't look like an absolute spackhead when he's going down the slopes. Yeah, not at all, not at all.
Yeah, boy, fast.